Welcome to all ME3I student for the MWM lecture on the unit development of cone. Today we will take a new problem. Here is the problem. Figure shows the elevation. Elevation means front view of a cut cone cut by two cutting planes. Here they have given the two cutting planes C1 P1 and C2 P2. Draw the DLS of cone removing the portion containing the apex. Which portion is removed? Removing the portion containing the apex. The apex part is to be removed. Here they have given the figure. Now it is a triangle. Cone's front view means a triangle. What is the diameter of base circle diameter? That is 30 mm. What is the height of the cone? That is 60 mm. Where the cutting plane is acting? Where the cutting plane is acting? Cutting plane is acting at 30 mm. But this is the axis of the cone. From the axis, it is acting 2 mm apart. 2 mm apart. At a distance of 2 mm, we have to draw the vertical line here. Okay. At a distance of 30 mm from the top or from the base, at a distance of 30 mm from the base, we have to mark the points, and these two cutting planes are acting here at what degree? At 40 degree. First step, they have given the solid cone. First you have to draw a circle of a diameter 30 mm, that is, in a compass we have to take a radius of 15 mm and draw the circle. Divide the circle into 12 equal parts. As we have seen in previous lecture, we have to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. This is the axis OP. This is the axis OP. Why I am naming 2 points? Because this axis is perpendicular to HP. From the top view, we observe the single point. We observe the single point. So I have named it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now transport. Here is the XY line. At 20 mm distance, I have drawn the XY line. This is the base. Before drawing the XY line, I have transferred this central line, axis height. What is the height? I have taken OP as 60 mm. OP as 60 mm. I have marked the apex. I have transferred this 1 point at the base, 7 point at the base. Then I have completed the triangle. Then I have transferred 6, 8, 5, 9, 4, 10, 3, 11, 2, 12. This is the base. Which is the front part? 7. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the front portion. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is the back portion? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1. Now after that, we have to mark, we have to draw the cutting lines. We have to draw the cutting lines. At a distance of 2 mm, I have taken the 30 mm distance from the base. At a distance of 2 mm, I have drawn the second line here, and I have marked the angle from the vertical edge. From the angle vertical edge, that is, this is a 40 degree, and here this is a 40 degree. At both the side here, I have drawn two cutting planes. Now, which part of the development we have to draw? That is the base portion. Which part is to be cut? Removed. That is, here in the problem, DLS of the cone, removing the portion containing the apex. So this is the important part here. The two cutting planes are acting at 2 mm eccentric distance. Now the similar process here we have to develop. Here they have drawn the horizontal lines from each cutting plane. From each cutting plane, they have drawn the horizontal line. Again, they have drawn the arc from each point, as we have seen in the previous lectures. But here, one point, this is the point, which does not lies on any of the generator 1 to 12. All the points, this point P, which is 2 mm eccentric from where the two cutting plane starts, does not lies on any of generator from O1, O2, O3 up to O12. So we have to create the generator. So we have to transfer it in the top view. Draw the straight line. Here I have drawn the arrow. Draw the straight line. Where it cut the circle, mark it as here. Here I have given A point and here I have given a B point to obtain the generator on the development. So this point, A point, that is the front portion, lies between 4 and 5. B point, back portion, lies between 9 and 10. Now I have drawn a parallel line here, 10 mm apart, to end the generator, and I have drawn the development of that blank as we have seen in the previous lecture. We have to transfer this point. For that purpose, here P1, here is P1, here is P2 and P12, here is P3 and P11, P4 and P10. So these points, here P1, I have drawn the horizontal line, I have drawn an arc. Here will be point P1 on O1, here is also on O1. Here will be the point P1. P2 and P12, I have drawn the horizontal line, I have drawn the arc. Here is a P2 and P12. P3 and P4, this is the generator P3 and P11. So here is the name P3 and P11. I have drawn the horizontal line with the help of compass. I have drawn the arc here. Here will be the point P3 and P11. P3 and P11. In this way, from the generator, we can draw the line and mark it on the respective point 3, P3. But this point P, here we have transferred, that is point B and that is point A. A point lies between 4 and 5. B point lies between 9 and 12. So in a compass, we have to take where is the metallic pointer of the compass on the 5. What distance we have taken? 5A. So I will keep it on 5. This distance I have taken, I will keep it on 5 and mark it here. I have obtained the point A. That is A point. Now I have drawn this line. Okay. Similarly, on between 9 and 10, I will keep the metallic pointer on the 9 and distance it compares 9 to B, on which part 9 to 10. Here is the part 9 to 10 where I have kept on 9 point. This is the metallic pointer on the 9 and I have marked the point B. I have obtained the point B to draw the generator. Okay, and I have drawn this line. I have created generator OB. Now I can transfer this point. I will draw the arc here. Here is the point. Which point I will mark? A and B. Front side here. Here is A and here is a point B. Similarly, all the points on the respect. This is 7 point. I have drawn the circle here. I will mark it on the 7. This will be the point 7. This is the 7. Okay. This is the 5 and 9. This is the 5. Where is 5? 5 and this is the 6 and 8. Here is 6. Where is 6? Here is 6. And where is 8? Here is 8. Similarly, we have to join this curve. This is our required blank cutting. After cutting, which will obtain the shape in this particular fashion. Okay, what concept we have studied? When the point is not on the generator, first you have to transfer it in the top view, then take the distance, respective distance, and transfer it in on the blank, that is development, and mark that point on the respective generator. Okay, thank you.